Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable transferring files default on your Android phone. So if you just plug this into a computer, it will automatically go to the setting instead of you having to find it in the top left and then click on it. So you can just go to the top right and go to settings right here. Scroll on down to about phone. Go all the way down to software information. Click on build number 5 times and this will unlock the developer options. Then we can go back to developer options. This will be available on the bottom now. And then we can just find the default configuration. So we can just type in default right here. Otherwise we can scroll on down and try to find it. Default USB. So here it is, default USB configuration, all the way down here. And it should highlight it for us. Okay, here it is. And then we can just go to transferring files. Now this is great if you're just at your home. However, if someone does take your phone, or maybe you're plugging this in somewhere, you should be very careful where you're plugging into because it's going to automatically want to transfer files. So don't plug it in at an airport or anything like that with a USB to USB-C. So be careful. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.